Hey guys, this is Niveditha and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm back with yet another DIY. So most of the times we neglect taking care of our feet, right? So in today's video, I will be showing you all how to make a DIY foot scrub by using the ingredients very easily available at home. So if you're interested in knowing how to get a glowing and beautiful feet, then please continue watching. We are going to start with a spoonful of sugar, coffee, and 2 spoons of coconut oil. Mix it well until you form a thick paste. Make sure you wash your feet before applying this particular scrub. Very gently scrub some onto your feet. Do it in a circular motion so that it helps remove dead skin more easily and also helps in increasing the blood flow. Make sure you do it gently as the scrub can leave you with scratches if done roughly. Coffee is very much effective at cleansing the feet and smoothening and softening your skin. It can help scrape away dead skin cells from the soles of the feet. It is known to increase blood flow and blood circulation in the area. Sugar is known to be a natural exfoliator and it helps in attaining a very smooth and glowing skin. And coconut oil is great in moisturizing your skin. Rinse off with plain water and pat it dry. Do this twice a week to attain a glowing and beautiful feet. I hope you all liked watching the video, and please let me know in the comment section below if you tried this out and if it worked for you. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, bye!